Hello everyone. In this video I shall be presenting some words having the similar sounds or same sounds. These are having some alikeness as far as their pronunciation is concerned. You know that pronunciation is an important part of language learning, so you have to regularly work on your pronunciation. Starting this way: read, read, die, die, board, board, sew, sew, bread, bread, peace, peace, pray, pray, send, send, packed, packed, read, read. Again repeating these words: read, read, die, die, board, board, sew, sew, bread, bread, peace, peace, pray, pray, send, send, packed, packed, read, read. Some more words: bury, bury, draft, draught, night, night, meat, meat, cereal, cereal, pause, pause, idle, idle. Here is difference: idle and audible. Then heard, heard, toe, toe, soul, soul. So last few words again repeating: bury, bury, draft, draught, night, night, meat, meat, cereal, cereal, pause, pause, idle, idle, heard, heard, to, soul and soul. So I request you all, please like, share and subscribe English Solutions channel by SP Singh.